Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Want your Shopify product photos to look crisp, polished, and perfectly sized for your storefront? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through step by step how you can easily resize your photos for your Shopify website, making sure your products catch your customers' eyes and fit beautifully into your store's layout. By the end of this video, you'll be able to adjust your image dimensions with confidence and understand exactly how these tweaks help your business stand out. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your command center, the place where you make changes that shape your customers' shopping experience. If you haven't already logged in, take a moment to do that now. Once you're inside your admin dashboard, find the menu on the left side and click on Online Store. This will expand a few options under it, like Themes, which is where your store's look and feel are managed. Now, before you dive into customization, look for the 3 dots. You'll find these just to the left of the big Customize button for your current theme. Clicking those dots opens up a drop-down menu with more advanced options. From here, select Edit Code. Don't worry, you don't have to be a coding expert for this part. I'll guide you through it step by step. Next, you'll see a list of files and folders that control your theme's design and functionality. What you want to do is search for the file called Main Product. This is where Shopify handles your main product display, including how images are presented on the product page. It's important here to pick the right version of this file. There might be a few with similar names, so look specifically for the .cs version of Main Product, not the liquid one. CSS files control the styling and layout, the visual aspects of your store. Liquid files are more about the content structure, so double-check before you click. Inside the main product CSS file, you'll want to open the search function. That's super simple. Just hit Ctrl+F on your keyboard. In the search bar that pops up, type in wrapper. This term is commonly used in web design. It acts like a container that holds content together and decides how wide or narrow it should appear on the page. Using the down arrow in the search bar, navigate through each mention of wrapper until you find the CS rule setting, max width, 60. This value tells the browser how wide the product image container should be compared to the whole page. Right now, it's set at 65 feet, which is fairly wide. To make your photos smaller and create a more elegant look, maybe to leave more room for descriptions or reviews, change that 65% to 30%. This narrows the container and shrinks the image size accordingly. If you're wondering, yes, you can experiment with different percentages later, but 30% is a solid starting point for a nice, neat appearance. Once you've made that adjustment, don't forget to hit Save at the top right. This might take a moment, but that Save button is crucial. You don't want to lose the changes you've just made. Now it's the moment of truth. Let's view it on your product page to see how it looks. Go back to your store, navigate to any product page, and look at your new product image size. It should now display much smaller and cleaner, fitting nicely into your layout. Sometimes you may need to refresh the page or clear your browser's cache if you don't see the change right away, so don't panic if it takes a couple of tries. That's the whole process. You've just resized your Shopify product images through your themes code, giving your storefront a more polished, professional appearance. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you have any questions, or if there's another Shopify tweak you want help with. I'm always here to help. And of course, subscribe for more step-by-step guides to make your online store shine. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.